Hi everybody, now here from Crochet Essentials. In today's video we are going to learn how to make a foundation single crochet. I really like this because it's nice and stretchy. It normally leaves clean edges to your projects. I like to use this for garments or when I'm working a bottom up hat, for example. Alright guys, let's start and learn how to make this. I have a 5mm hook, a worsted weight yarn. We are going to start with a slip knot. I hope you know how to make a slip knot. Whichever way you make it, there's no right or wrong. Okay, I got my slip knot. And to work our first foundation single crochet, we need to chain 2. 1 and 2. Okay, next we are going to insert the hook on the 2 loops, like the one furthest to you and the one that is at the bottom. Insert the hook on the 2 loops, and then I'm going to pull up a loop. Now I've got 2. I'm going to yarn over, pull through the first loop. I still have 2. I'm going to yarn over and then pull through the 2 loops. We are done with our first single crochet. Next we are going to insert the hook on both loops at the bottom. If you turn your work, you have like a V. That's where you are going to insert your hook. I have one here and then another one to complete the V. Pull up a loop. I got 2. Yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through the second loop, and we have done our second foundation single crochet. We are going to do it again. I'm going to insert the hook on the 2 loops at the bottom, and then I'm going to yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops, and then yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops. Then we have 1, 2, 3 foundation single crochet stitches. Let's do that one more time. Insert the hook on both of your loops at the bottom. Yarn over, pull through a loop. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop. Yarn over, pull through both loops. Okay, let's do it a few more times together. Remember, 2 loops. Pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. Once you make your your 5th stitch, it becomes much easier. The first 2 are quite tricky when you are still trying to figure out where you are inserting the hook and how many loops should be on your hook, and it gets easier. Okay, gonna do one more time together. Insert the hook on both loops at the bottom. I got 1 and got the second one. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first loop, yarn over, pull through both loops, and this is how it looks. This is the back and this is the front. This is how it looks so far. So we've made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 foundation single crochet. It's nice and straight. It makes your project looks nice and neat. If you haven't already subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button so that when I upload more stitch tutorials, you get notifications. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, so that more people can see it and get to practice this wonderful foundation single crochet. All right guys, I'll see you in the next video.